Gaza, unbroken spirit. A city in ruins, once vibrant, now devastated. Children navigate through what remains of their homes. Innocence persists amid destruction. Her eyes tell stories no child should know. A father's desperate journey to save his son. Love finds strength when all else fails. The daily struggle for basic necessities. Patience in the face of scarcity. Makeshift homes in the darkness. Education continues despite all odds. Resilience rises from the ashes. Gaza stands, wounded but unbroken.